How to view and delete all your pokes on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Facebook application and then open it. After that, tap on the menu bar. Now scroll down, go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Scroll down and then go to your activity. Go to activity log. After that, you can simply use a filter or scroll down and then all you have to do is find poke history, or if you cannot find it over there, go to activity history. Then tap on filters, then go to categories. After that, go to your Facebook activity and here you should find an option of pokes. Tap on it. Tap on other activity if you cannot find pokes and then tap on pokes from here. Here you will find all your pokes. Now in order to delete it, tap on the three dot and then tap on delete and it will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.